commencing 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Beaufort, Bryan, Bullock, Chatham, Effingham, Jasper, Liberty, and Scranton. This concludes the weekly test of the new 11 radio all-hazards station KEC85 by the National Weather Service Office in Charleston, South Carolina. The official National Weather Service forecast